We happy? Vincent? We happy?
Yeah, we happy.
I'm Dad, and hopefully I don't waste your time. Yeah, we're happy. Litemons. I grabbed one of these. They're really great. It's this simple box with very bright LEDs in it. There's 20 RGB LEDs in it, and then a bunch of white and off-white ones as well. 4 buttons in the back here that do different things, and then the on-off switch. And this thing is incredibly bright. I mean, I tried it and pointed at the camera. It's too bright to even show you. Oh, I have it turned on red. Okay, well that's fitting. I can, with this little screen on the back, little LCD screen, it tells me everything. Tells me what settings I'm on. I can go through the hue, the saturation, all of the colors that I need to. This is 5%. That's 5%. It comes with this also a very simple but very effective diffuser. I can flip through, just hold this button, and it will cycle through all of the colors that you would need. So one thing I love about this is that it's not just battery powered, but you can plug it in. I don't do photography. I don't do videography. And this is mainly what this was used for. This bottom attachment here would attach right onto a camera, right onto the top of it, so you could have a light. So one really cool little thing that this has is it has what they call FX, or scenes that we might be used to seeing. The first one cycles through all of the colors slowly. The second one is just some white flashing. These are going to get worse, by the way. If you are prone to seizures, just go ahead and stop here and check the description down below for more information. Then we have just quickly cycling through all the colors. Thunderstorm. There's Thor. All right. After that, we have a bright white light. This one is a TV. So if you wanted to make it seem like there was a TV coming, you know, a light from a TV off in the distance somewhere, this is what they consider TV. Then we have a candle. That is an incredibly bright candle because I'm pointing it right at my face. I can't get it far enough away. After that, a fireplace. So you can see a slight flicker. I like this one. After that, we have fireworks. So this is the firework being launched, and then it goes off, slowly fades. The next one explodes, slowly fades away. After that, sure, you can guess what this one is. After that, we have another one for, this is a fire truck. Then we have an ambulance. Then we just have good old-fashioned SOS. And a third mode actually lets you select the exact color by Kelvins, 3200K, or then you can just hold down the button and it will slowly shift to more of the bluish 6500K. This comes not just with the diffuser, it comes with a USB-C short little cable for charging the battery. And it also comes with a wipe so you can make sure the screen stays clean. As a streamer and was that thunder? So as a streamer and a fairly new YouTuber, what am I going to use this for? Well, I'm definitely going to be using it for product reviews for YouTube. Help me light them, highlight certain things about them, and have it off to the side, you know, picking which color I want for that specific product. And when it comes to the stream, I'm not completely sure yet because I don't know where I'm going to mount it, but I definitely feel like somewhere off to the side, or I could even place it somewhere in this direction on the other side of my monitor. So currently this fun little light is $35 on Amazon and has a 5% discount right now. For those of you that think that you might mount this somewhere for a stream or YouTube videos and not ever really move it, I picked up some of the magnetic charge cables and just plugged one in on the back of mine so that it will easily snap in to charge whenever I need it to. All right, so this isn't going to make or break your YouTube videos or your live streams or photography or whatever it is, but it's fun. And if you're ever in a tight spot and you need some really bright light and it's portable, why not have it? I'm Dad, and hopefully I didn't waste your time. I'm Dad, and I hope I didn't waste your time. I'm Dad, and hopefully I didn't waste your time.
If you only got a mustache.
My wife. Hold on. I don't mean to be rude, just priorities. And I know you're probably watching this now. You know I was going to add this in the video.